Luigi, the cutest bellboy. Look at his twerk.
What? Oh no.
लग गए लग गए
¿No podemos salir? Salta, salta.
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.
I just want y'all to know that I wake up every day and choose violence. It's on purpose.
Oh my God! What in the... Mama, come get out! Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, grab the girl hand. Oh Lord, you walk out. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Whose goddamn white baby is that?
This is your baby, okay? He's just light-skinned.
What are you gonna fight me? Good job, son. What y'all doing? Oh, you guys are funny.
Cover. Cover, get it. Cover, get it.
I'm pooping. Can you get out, please? Please. Please. We've already been through this.
This is his peanut butter toy that I put... Oh, no, I said the word. I put PB in the middle of this, and he keeps just throwing it at me and crying. He already had a bunch today. You already had PB.
Don't know, we can keep it lit, let's roll.
Seeing if my dog recognizes my mom walking by after not seeing her for 6 months. Quick double take. Wait a sec. Grandma.
Bobo, sit. Cushy. Good cushy. Okay.
So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Does that make sense? Does that make sense?
It doesn't.
Okay, if I had one treat and then I had another treat and I added...
No.
I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to get up and I'm going to go to the bathroom and I'm going to be back in like 60 seconds, okay? And there's no reason for you all to get up and follow me, all right? Y'all just stay put. Oh, okay. Was this necessary?
Giving my dog sparkling water to see his reaction.
Why is it spicy?
Thank you. This dumbass motherfucker, Couche, thought that this was that. She was literally running through the fucking True Savings parking lot, chasing the fucking moon. Like...
That bread is out there for the birds. What? Why is he like this? Stop! Stop it! Stop! Yes, you.
I'm dog sitting for some friends right now, and I literally just got here like 20 minutes ago. And they have 2 dogs, and you can see one right here, that's Dash. And they have another one that's black and white, and he's old, and I can't seem to find him. He's not under the bed, I looked. And then this is just their kids' room, but he's not in here either. And I literally spent like 10 minutes wandering the house looking for him. And he's nowhere to be seen, and I had gone in and out of that door. I thought maybe he ran out, but nope. He's just bundled up here. Nearly had a heart attack.